Hi, this is Deepak Gangura. Today I'm gonna talking about reading book, right? So reading is the most important per become a fluent speaker, right? So that's why we need to read so many books, right? So that's why today there are two questions about reading, right? So what I had learned from their book, and then so I need to continue the question. So first thing is most important. If you don't have subscribe my channel, you need to channel subscribe my channel because I need your help. Sorry, I need your support. Help. It's both same, right? So okay, we need to continue the questions. Okay, first question is so interesting. I mean, I don't know how to say. What important lessons did you learn from the last book you read? What important lesson did you learn from the last book you read? Right? Last times I had read this book and then I learned from this book, like how we need to believe ourselves, you know, how to believe in ourselves and how to concentrate our work, for example, like study, for example, like which field do you belong, doesn't matter, but we need to focus there, and then we need to believe 100% ourselves, not we we don't need like depend on another person. We need to depend per ourselves, per myself, per yourself. So this topics told me I had to read, right? So probably I would like to study book. So one of the best book for me when I had read last time. So that's why. And another is like how to pray. This book say us how to pray, and then this is on the topics, but I includes, right? Sorry, I mentioned in this video, in this question. Okay, I need to talk about another questions. Another questions. How did the book change your thinking or perspectives? Uh, it's it's a good question for me. Before before reading this book, I was thinking like like thought, like I think I was thinking about some negative, like like that type of. After finish this book, I am completely changed, right? This book say us, how to believe in ourselves, how to peaceful mind generate for us, how we can generate, and how to like constance, and then how to we need to focus our topics, our study, our work, and then how to pray, the type of topics, the type of uh, topics I read, and then I am completely changed. But I don't have a like vocabulary, so that's why. And how to check our progress, and then another is most important. This book say me, like, I had to read, line by line, and then somewhere I find, some or, and then when some people, like, quick, successful, I mean past successful, they they show a lot of difference compared with, who people going to slowly. So yeah, and then how to relax, and then how much we need to, like, relax for our body, the type of topics, this book say us, right? And writer, it's a great, bro, it's a great, this book is so, excellent for me, like, so that's why I never sell this book, right? So before 6 months ago, I had to buy this book, and I have another book, this book, and I have so many books, but I never sell. I never give another guy, right? So yeah, bye. See you tomorrow.